In today's video, I'm going to show you how to save money on your Etihad Airways bookings using coupon codes in 2025. Whether you're flying for business or leisure, these simple tricks will help you get discounts every time you book. First, head over to the official Etihad Airways website or open the Etihad mobile app. Start by searching for your flight. As usual, enter your departure city, destination, travel dates, and the number of passengers. Once the available flights are displayed, select the option that works best for you and continue to the booking page. Now comes the important part. On the payment page, you'll see a section that says promo code or coupon code. This is where you enter your discount code. For 2025, Etihad frequently shares codes through their official promotions page on etihad.com, their newsletter, and sometimes on partner travel websites. These codes can give you anywhere from 10 to 20% off, or special perks like free seat selection or extra baggage allowance. If you don't currently have a code, check Etihad's deals and offers page. Another tip, sign up for the Etihad Guest Loyalty Program. Members often get exclusive promo codes sent by email, plus you can earn miles on every booking to redeem on future flights. After entering your coupon code, click Apply. The discount will automatically appear in your fare summary before you complete payment. Always double check that the savings are reflected before finalizing your booking. And that's it, super easy. With the right coupon code and a free Etihad guest account, you'll never have to pay full price again. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more money-saving travel hacks. Thank you for watching.